Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we did this gorgeous makeup. The glitter is actually, you know what? I'll wait until we get to that part. But first, we started off with our brows, and for this we went in with the Profusion Brows Palette. And yes, I'm actually doing it on camera. Oh my god. Oh, you never see that. Anyways, so we started off with my brows. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about the brows. Then we went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we are going to be carving out our pretty arches and shaping them and making them pretty. Next, we went in with the Profusion's Confidence Palette. This is my all-time favorite palette out of all the palettes that I own. Like, seriously, it is my all-time favorite palette. And we went in with this pretty orange, and we were using that as a transition color and just laying that all over. Then we went in with the darker color, and this is kind of a burgundy brown, and we're going to be putting that inside of our crease and making sure our crease is dark. We want it dark. Next, we went in with the Jeffree Star's Mini Breaker, and we are going in with the center purple here, and we are going to be putting that on our crease of the color that we just laid down, and this will give us a nice burgundy bright look. I know with burgundy you can't really say bright, but for burgundy this is bright. Then we took our LA Girl Concealer again, and we are carving out a half cut crease. We didn't go for a full cut crease today, we did a half. And let me tell you, oh, it just, yeah. Then we took the Jeffree Star, this is Drug Lord, and we are going to be putting that actually as the crease because it actually makes it pop more, and it makes the colors later on pop instead of just using regular concealer, because concealer has a tone to it, this does not. Then we went in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BHCosmetics, and we're going in with this pretty yellow. We didn't use this much yellow on this part. We did kind of lay it over with the first layer, and then later on we went in with the TASHcosmetics, and we just kind of laid that on top of it. As you can see, there's a little bit different pigmentation, but not too much. I wanted it to pop a little bit more than it was. Then we took this pretty purple, and we're going to be putting that on our outer V. Oh my god. Makes me cry. And here you go, you guys. This is the glitter that I used that you saw in the beginning of the video. This is my glitter from Zombie Girl Cosmetics. This is Rotten Banana. I don't know what else to say about this glitter. This has gotten probably next to the most hype that all my glitters have gotten. Next, we went in with the E.L.F. primer, actually this is the Daily Moisturizer, not the primer. And we're going to be putting that on our face. I can't live without this stuff. I literally can't. Next, we went in with the E.L.F. primer, and we are going to be putting that all over our face. Make sure you tap, don't rub. Then we took the ITcosmetics Bye Bye foundation. Yeah. My favorite foundation, as I say in all my videos. I mean, look at that coverage. How can you not like this foundation? Seriously. Then we took that same purple in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we are going to be putting that purple on our waterline. Ooh, yes, girl. Then we went in with the Tarte eyelashes, Tarteous eyelashes, and this is Boss Girl. Sadly, they ripped when I pulled them off of my eyelid, so I gotta get new ones. Yeah, my face says it all. Highlighter, the highlighter. What can you say? It's the highlighter. The highlighter that I use in all of my videos. I really need to use all the other ones that I have in my drawer. Then we took Jeffree Star's Scorpio lipstick, and we're going to be putting that on our lips. This is such a pretty color, and it's Scorpio. I mean, I'm a Scorpio, so why wouldn't I use it? Oh, this is such a pretty makeup. Like, seriously. Look at that glitter. Oh my god, that glitter is... Ooh, it's banging. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look for the makeup today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me beat my face up, but, you know, if you guys like this video, leave me a like down below, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. Hit the little notification button, whatever. Stay tuned for more videos. I have a really cool one coming up. Oh my god, that glitter, oh my god, you guys really need to get some of this glitter. Go to my store, just go buy that glitter. Just hit click and buy. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video.